High def right there.
Oh my
Nice.
gosh, Therese.
Okay, are they gonna go at it again?
Okay, round 2.
How many rounds are there?
Ding 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 ding.
that was like slow motion right there.
Okay, here it comes.
Stick it in. You look like my dad.
Yeah.
Oh my
he
god,
does.
these guys are the worst fucking
I want to see
my
Nero
God.
and KJ fight.
Watch the furniture.
Open the door. Tell
Watch
him
the
to watch
IKEA
it.
shit. Watch the IKEA shit.
Tell him to watch it. Watch it.
Oh.
Ground and pound, baby. Ground and pound.
That's a nice futon. Is that from IKEA?
Oh yeah, thrust, baby, thrust.
Give it to him.
Look at him. Look at his eye.
This is pure entertainment, actually. We said the same thing. Break time.
You just
Nero needs
oxygen
to
in there?
breathe. It's so hot in there when you open the door. Sig's like, that's my room.
Bernard, get him,
He's
baby.
like,
Get him. Go low, Bernard. Go for the leg. Shoot the leg, man.
oh.
There's too much.
Tapped him. He tapped him. Holy
Okay,
Oh,
it's 2-1
so
Nero.
romantic.
It's 2-1 Nero.
It's so romantic.
No, he tapped him. You won. Hey, bro. Now you gotta pull out the pants, bro, and pop, pop, nuts to the face. Teabag him, dude. Just teabag him. Get it done with.
That's nasty. Nero, do you shave your armpits, you
No.
weirdo?